So now that I'm free, let me give you full details of how I'm going to reach Timon Island and how you can come from India. So the traffic in Penang feels like Bangalore because my hostel is around 5 kilometers from the airport, but it is already 25 minutes, and I think more than traffic, it's because of the traffic light, and yeah, it is followed well, so that's very good. So this is my capsule hostel. This looks so futuristic. I mean, they have given 3 pillows. There are so many options here. Air outlet, USB, reading light, backlight, mirror, front, power. There's a locker. There is hanger, and see the ceiling. This doesn't look like from 2024. Oh God. So here I am outside. Wanted to explore the city for 1 or 2 hours. And after that I will go back to hostel and sleep. So I have to reach Queensby Mall, but I'm not able to follow the direction properly. Not sure why map is giving me weird directions. चलो अभी हम पहुंच जाएंगे मॉल. Either it is a posh area or मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. Reason being ज़्यादा लोग नहीं दिख रहे मुझे गाड़ी के बाहर. Everybody is in the car. At the airport, and I will take the flight to Johor Bahru, and from there I will go to Mersing Jetty, and ultimately I have to reach the Timon Island. So firstly I need to take a flight, then a bus, and then a jetty, and after that I think a 4WD will make me reach the exact location where I have to reach. So let's see. Mersing Jetty and I have to get the ticket for Timman Island. Not sure when is the next jetty available. Let's go and check that. So seems like in a particular day only 2 jetties are there, and it's already 4 p.m. and next is tomorrow at 12 p.m. So yeah, now I need to find a hotel and stay there. It's tough and it's bad because I had booking for today and it is like I'm not happy and there's no other way to get the jetty today. Yeah. So I got the ticket for the jetty from there, and here I had to give 30 RM for some island reservation, and the ticket costed me around 120 for up down for the Timman Island, and my jetty is after 1 hour. Hey everyone, this is my 4th day in Malaysia and today I am going to Timman Island. Yesterday was super depressing because I missed my jetty, or I cannot say miss because I was on right time, but there are only 2 jetty in a day, or for the whole month they have a calendar that they follow and they have the whole list of jetty which would be going, and I was not aware. I thought the way in India happens, like if 2 are showing online, there would be certain number of jetty that would be available after, like if you book offline, but that was not the case. So today morning also on the website it was showing that there is no jetty available. So I was very worried, very worried, because I had already paid for the hotel, and I thought like if I am not able to reach, all my money will be wasted and my time will be wasted, because I took flight, taxi, cab, bus, everything to reach the island, and I was very worried. But thank God that I got the ticket, and today I will be going and tomorrow only I would be returning. Let's see how much I would be able to explore. I feel whatever happened yesterday, उसके बाद कि हमें बॉलीवुड देखना बंद कर देना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमारी लाइफ से एक्सपेक्टेशंस बढ़ जाती है कि कुछ तो मैजिकल हो ही जाएगा, कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ तो जुगाड़ हो जाएगा, बट ऐसा नहीं होता. फिर वी फील बैड. मतलब कल मेरा आधे घंटे का ब्रेक डाउन हुआ क्योंकि मेरा कल का भी बुकिंग था टिमन आइलैंड का, और पैसे भी चले गए, और फिर यहाँ पे मुझे एक होटल बुक करना पड़ा, और इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली अ न्यू प्लेस. सो आई वॉज वेरी वरीड एंड आई हैड टू बुक अ न्यू होटल. एंड आफ्टर दैट होटल में बहुत रूम्स थे और बहुत ही कंजेस्टेड थे, और पैसे भी अच्छे खासे लग गए, बट ऐसा नहीं था कि बहुत ही अच्छा सा रूम मिल गया. और ये हल्की हल्की बारिश भी हो रही है वैसे, पता है आपको, उस धूप में. तो वही, अब फिर मेरे पास सिम भी नहीं था, मैंने सिम नहीं लिया. रीज़न बिंग मैंने बताया था कि फ़िज़िकल सिम का 30 RM लग रहा था और ई सिम का 150 RM, विच वॉज़ लाइक 5 times. तो इसीलिए फिर मैं कैंसिल कर दी वो प्लान. बट समहाउ एवरीथिंग वर्कड, सो थैंक गॉड. So now that I'm free, let me give you full details of how I'm going to reach Timman Island and how you can come from India. So firstly, you can take a flight for the Senai International Airport, which I think you would be able to come after coming to Kuala Lumpur first. So once you get the flight, after that you need to go to the bus stand, Lankin bus stand, and then you have to take the bus for Mersing Jetty, where I am currently, and after that you have to get the jetty to reach the Timman Island. It's a long process, I think, and I hope it is worthy. Like once I reach, I can inform whether it is worthy or not, and it would be my perspective. You can have a different perspective according to your experience, but I feel if I am putting so much of effort to reach somewhere, it should be extraordinary. And one more thing, make sure the link that your hotel is giving you, check on that, the ferry time. I missed my ferry yesterday because of that, because I thought some ferry would be there. How come only 2 in a day would be there? But in some days I can see on the list that only 1 ferry is there. So it would be better for you if you book your flight and buses accordingly. Yeah, and yesterday only one bus was there. Luckily I took that and I was on time for that. So yeah, make sure to check calendars and the list of the jetty. So this is a pictorial representation of at what place you can do what in Tinman Island. At Tinman Island, it shows there is an airport also, but I was not able to find any flight for that place. ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही कच्चा है, पर मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं, मैंने पूछा बेक करने का, बट नो, नॉट पॉसिबल. Still have half an hour to wait.